Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select temperature on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just click here on settings here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. You just keep going down here. So then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on language in the region here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on temperature here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you select it here in this list on your iPhone. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.